Introducing the 2023 Volkswagen Id.3 PRO 150 KW Lifedx, the perfect blend of style, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. This sleek, grey electric estate vehicle boasts an impressive 204 horsepower and automatic transmission for a smooth ride. Packed with features like ambient lighting, Bluetooth phone connectivity, and collision avoidance braking, this car ensures safety and convenience on every journey. Plus, with a spoiler for added style and an energy recuperation system for efficiency, it truly has it all. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer standards, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Call us now or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more details on this exceptional vehicle.